Kia ora. We're here with Island New World, and they're going to be showing us how to make a nutritional meal on a student budget. Thank you to Tansy, who's going to show us how to make these meals. Today, we're going to be making chickpea curry, which is a budget-friendly vegan meal.